The bit for your vajay goes here. The what? I've just gotten home from getting some last minute items for this little baby and myself, and I want to show you what I got. If you hear some little snores, Timmy's just asleep behind me and Oliver is actually awake on his iPad, so you might hear some background noises. But I got the Frida Mom Postpartum Recovery Kit. I've never used this, but I thought we could open this one up together. And I also went to TK Maxx to get a few things. Honestly, TK Maxx didn't really have much in the way of newborn clothing. So yeah, that was a bit disappointing because last time I got clothes from there, they had lots of items. So I just kind of got whatever really had a teddy bear on it. So let's open this up and see what's inside. Alrighty. I just want to let Timmy have a little sleep first because he only just fell asleep. So I'm like, I'll just open this up in the car. They're happy, so that's all that matters. Look at my bellies. Nothing fits me. This is my shirt. Okay, alright. Let's open this up. Okay. So, these are just instructions, I guess. Frida Mom. Alright, so inside we get, which is what I really wanted, was the witch hazel foam, which I really wanted this. I see everybody using it. This is what it looks like inside. And then we've also got the witch hazel pad liners, and also have the bit for your vajay goes here. The what? The bit, I don't know what that means. The bit for your vajay. Oh, okay. Oh, the bit. Oh, okay. I think this the squirty thing that cleans your vagina, because this actually comes in a case. I'll show you. It comes in a case, so you can put it next to the toilet. So you have all your essentials in here. I've actually already got the bottle thing to wash down there, so that's good. And then we also got 4 regular boy short briefs. And anything in there? No. And then in here we have the cold pads that go on your undies, which help. And I think we've got a few of them as well, which is good, so that I don't have to actually wet pads and it go all soggy and yucky and messy. I actually wanted them to already be pre-made, so that's so much better and so much more hygienic as well. So yeah, so it's got a little caddy and put next to the toilet, but I will take this and these, pretty much everything, to the hospital and leave some in here. So there's that. All right, next, what I got from TK Maxx. I only got these because they're 3 to 6 months, but they were cute, so I got it. It's just a 3 set of teddy bear clothes. And then this one, teddy bear toys, super cute, super fluffy. 12 pack of baby face cloths. This was only $10 and they're teddy bear theme, so I thought they were really cute, so that's why I got them. And some hooded towels, washcloths, and yeah, it's just 3, so 6 all together for $20 with teddy bears on it. Super cute. And then last but not least was some bibbies, some nice bibbies, a little teddy rattle toy, which is so cute. But yeah, not really any clothes there, unfortunately, just mainly for newborns age. So that's okay. We will keep looking for other places that have neutral clothes, but that's all I got so far, and I am excited to use the Frida stuff. I want to know if it actually works because I've seen so many people on my TikTok page use it. Fingers crossed it works and what all the women are saying is true, but we'll just have to see and use to find out. Anyways, bye!